noble and excellent, with all battles on, clean and calm. Him I call a Brahmin, an Arahant true. Dhammapad 422. He is a bull in his power to force ahead. He is a great sage as he has realized the essentials. He has conquered death. He is devoid of all blemishes. He has washed away all evil. He has awakened to the essentials. That person I describe as a Brahmana, as an Arahant. One noble, most excellent, heroic too, great sage, and one who conquer all, whose faultless, washed one awake, that one I call a Brahmin, an Arahant true. One noble, most excellent, heroic too, great sage, and one who conquers all, who is faultless, washed, one erect, that one I call a Brahmin, a Arahant true. Dhammapad 422. U sabong poborong birong mohesing bijita binong onejong anatokong buddhong tamohong brahmi brahmanong. Dhammapad 422.